First says tweet, 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 tweet. And Taylor says,
what's a doggy say?
huh?
What's a doggy say?
Logan says, woof, woof. And the cat says, meow, 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 meow.
What's a piggy say?
Oink, 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 oink.
What's a monkey do?
Huh?
What's a monkey do?
Let's next this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
What other animals you know? Huh? What? What's a chicken say?
Chicken says,
What?
Maybe says,
Cluck, cluck.
quack, 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 quack,
That's a duck.
quack, quack.
What's a horse say? Do it again.
Horsey says, neigh, and boom. Like that.
What's a cow say?
Moo.
What's a frog say?
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
What about a bunny rabbit?
He doesn't say anything.
He doesn't say anything.
He just hops with hop, 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 hop. He is help. He just
What's
hops.
Logan say?
I just hop right now.
Call for your free test kit or visit labband.com.
Hop, 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 hop.
Symptoms of autoimmune severe heart.
Who's coming pretty soon?
I want to do it.
Who's coming pretty soon?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus? What's he gonna bring you?
Toys.
What kind of toys?
Mm.
I'm ready. Ask your doctor about the
Nothing? You want some Legos?
Yeah.